Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. This week should follow a similar script to what we've had throughout the summer. We do have high pressure building in today, so that's likely going to shut off some of the storms. And again, yesterday we had some widespread wind damage. A lot of folks, again, without power this morning. So I think everybody will be okay with the storms going away for a few days, but that means the heat is back with us, as we do have a heat advisory in effect today. And once we get closer to the weekend, we do have some scattered storms returning. So as been the case here, we'll dry out for a couple of days, and then the storms will return to give us some more normal temperatures closer to the weekend. But of course, over the weekend, we'll have to monitor some of the storms that are passing through. So it's a heat advisory today. No excessive heat warning, but we do have the heat advisory in effect for all counties and parishes from noon until 8 p.m. The heat index, when you factor in the humidity, will likely be above 105 degrees. Very nice morning, though. So the nicest slice of the week here will be early this morning. We'll have temperatures in the upper 60s as well as the low 70s. So prior to 10 a.m., some pretty nice temperatures today, but pretty quick warm up this afternoon. We'll wind up in the mid 90s and may have a few locations that touch triple digits south of Interstate 20. And again, not much hope for rain today, which will likely keep those temperatures fairly warm all afternoon. Of course, over the weekend, we had some scattered storms to give us some heat relief, but you can see the heat index today gradually above that 105 degree mark this afternoon, where we'll likely stay for much of the afternoon today. So basically the storms from yesterday moved east pretty quickly. We still have a front that's north of us that has triggered some rain in Oklahoma. That rain has fizzled out, but we think some of the outflow from those storms could trigger maybe just a few showers and storms north of I-30 today. No severe weather threat for us. So again, yesterday we did have some widespread wind damage, and don't expect that we'll see many thunderstorms today. And taking a look at your Robin's Toyota Futurecast, it does show just a few rain showers sneaking over the mountains here, maybe into Arkansas and Oklahoma. And that's pretty much it for what we'll see for most of the week here, as we'll continue to dry out. Plenty of sun through the middle of the week, which will crank our temperatures up a few more degrees as we dry out. So again, not going to feel much of a difference between the heat Monday through Thursday, just a couple of degrees here and there, but the humidity running high enough, we'll probably see either the heat advisory, the excessive heat warning for much of the week here. But we do have a front that's going to settle in this weekend, hoping that may give us some rain on Friday, but more likely it'll bring some scattered storms over the weekend. So the weekend, not a washout, but we'll have a few hours of storms each day, and that will likely cool our high temperatures back to near average in the low to mid 90s for the weekend.